So I'm going to show you how to utilize the Jackknife bed. There are multiple components to the Jackknife bed. First off, remove any of the pillows. Make sure you have access to it. Same with the blanket that is provided. You have the back area needs to be removed, set aside. On the sides, these slide straight up and can be stored at another location. You have two of them, front and rear. Once you remove those, there is a switch down below that you can use and pull out the Jackknife bed. As you pull it forward, you will be able to lay down the main portion of the bed, replacing your padding near the back. Gives you access to a full-size bed. This is actually very comfortable to lay on for two adults. So to put the Jackknife bed away, remove the padding from the back side, raise the back area, push the seat area in, taking the two arms, the left side, come here and let me show you where it goes in. There is a little metal notch that this arm goes into. Make sure it is secure. Replace the backside one. Same thing. There's a notch in it. And you'll be able to slide it in. Replace the back cushions. And the couch is a couch again.